Welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to import Nmap result into Metasploit. It is very helpful to scan your targets with Nmap and then import the result into Metasploit. All you have to do is scan your target using the -ox option to generate an XML file that will contain the results. Importing Nmap scans directly into Metasploit is one of the best time-saving tricks you can accomplish while using the Metasploit framework. PostgreSQL database and accessible to Metasploit, you can do all kind of cool things with it, and that will save you lots of time and frustration on large penetration tests. Let's scan 192.168.1.0 Let's open up terminal. Here I scanned 192.168.1.0 Result is saved in subnet1 file. Type ls. Here we can see that subnet1 is present in root directory. Let's launch the MSF console. Type db import subnet1. Here we can see that data is imported successfully. Once this completes successfully, your Nmap data will be contained in the PostgreSQL database and fully accessible to Metasploit. This opens up all kinds of flexibility that will really save your bacon on large scans. If you want, you can also perform Nmap scans directly from within the Metasploit framework and have it automatically added to the database. To do this, use db-nmap command followed by the flags you wish to use and the host or subnets you want to scan. To verify that the result from the scan are stored in the database, type host. Here you can see that our Nmapping result hosts. So that's it in this video on importing Nmap result into Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.